This video is only used to demonstrate the use of Auto Clicker. Players can use it in a suitable world of Roblox. In any world of Roblox, click the floating icon of Panda Control and click the Get button on the right side of Auto Clicker. Click the plus button to add anchor points, which are the positions where Auto Clicker automatically clicks. After adding, clicking the play button will automatically start clicking. This video is only used to demonstrate the use of Auto Clicker. Players can use it in a suitable world. Panda Auto Clicker is an automatic click tool that simulates fingers click on a mobile phone screen, which helps gamers to free your hands and easily win battles in the game. Panda Auto Clicker is available for many games which you can download from Panda Helper.